can be as simple as an accounts payable invoice entered in one company with expenses distributed to others with automatic due to and due from entries, or we can have a sales order in one company be automatically generated from a purchase order in another, and then the invoice of that company become an accounts payable voucher in the requesting company, all automatically. All of these companies can reside in one database, and they can all reside on one server. Or they could be in multiple servers located throughout the world and automatically real-time synchronize among the servers. So this gives the system the ability to be deployed and scaled very fluidly in one simple method. It also means if you need to upgrade the system, you can upgrade just one database instead of having to deal with multiple databases and multiple upgrades to new versions. You'll see across the top typical Windows menus, the View menu, an Options menu, and so forth, as well as a fully functional Help menu, which we'll get into in a little while. And we also have a toolbar here for commonly used functions, such as changing companies, your preferences, etc. And you'll notice on the bottom of the screen it'll always show you which company you're in, what language you're in, and who you're logged in as, and you can always click on any of these to change those settings as well. The history pull down here shows you the various screens that you've been in recently, and you can jump to any of them automatically. We also have our embedded education function right here, which is our built-in courseware, what we'll talk about. Now once you go into one of these functions, as I mentioned, you can see all the various capabilities that you have. Now I'm logged in as a super user, and because of that I have the ability to access and see everything. If I was a lower level user, maybe just somebody in accounts receivable, I would only see the menus and functions exposed to me. I can cut that down even further through the concept of a favorites menu here. And favorites, just like Outlook, you can click on your favorites section here and see what you want. So for example, I have favorites regarding financial management. These are my commonly used functions. I have a favorite here regarding general favorites, and you see I can also link items that are outside of Epicor, such as Microsoft Word or any other application or executable. It's very easy to add something to the favorites. If you see it in your menu items, say contact tracker or a part tracker here, you can just right click, add to favorites bar, and it's over and available. You can rename it. Instead of part tracker, I want to say item review or something of that nature, or you can simply delete it if you don't want it on your bar here.
In the comments below, let me know where I should head next.
So that gives you a little bit of idea of how you can streamline your operations. You can see that this look and feel, however, and functionality is carried throughout the system. So let's go ahead and look at an actual data entry screen, for example. We'll go ahead into, say, order, or into sales management, and then into order management, and we'll open up order entry. And now we're in our order entry screen. Now you'll notice, unlike some other systems you might see, the launcher is using a current modern technology, the Microsoft .NET architecture, and so do all the